This is the Merrill HideT03 3/4 PVC ball valve for the Merrill hydrants. Now, we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions, but first, a couple things to look at about the part. If you look inside right at the middle of the ball valve, there is a rubber O-ring right there. And then to turn on, you're just going to turn to the right. That's going to close the valve. And left to open. Measure total length. You're right at about 3 1/4 inches. An outer diameter at the threads, just below 1.5 inches. And inside diameter right at 3/4. We can also measure across the top of the handle. You're right at 3 inches. And on the top side of the handle, there will be an arrow, left for open, right to shut or off. And once again, this is the Merrill HideT03 3/4 inch ball valve.